All right, team. This is your host, Charles Becco, and I'm here to talk with you about the stock and crypto market. Boom. Didn't see that coming. All right. So why are we looking at CNBC? Well, I've been saying it for quite some time, right? Like, I don't think anyone was really paying attention to the fact that Bitcoin just punched through 50K. Okay, BTC USD. Oh, okay, we're a little under right now, but we were above 50K for, I would say, most of the day. I actually don't think these numbers are accurate. I mean, we were like 5,100, 5,300. I mean, but we're right there. Okay, and that is momentous and stupendous news, right? Okay, I've got the chart on right queued up. I guess we'll just go right to Bitcoin. I mean, yeah. Actually, we're at 50K right now. See? Told you. Yo, team. I mean, look at the chart. Okay. Next level. 51, 150. Let me see if I could, I don't know if this is gonna. Okay. 50, can I? 51, 50. Yeah, whatever. I know somebody's gonna be like, "Oh my gosh, look what he just did," but who cares? Yeah, team. I mean, yeah, guys, we are here. We're here. Okay. Been telling folks, okay, Bitcoin has quietly climbed up to near all-time highs, and I mean, it does not take long, team, to start punching through these levels. Okay, like I mentioned before, I think it was about 2 weeks ago. We talked about Bitcoin in the previous video. Bitcoin had already kind of kissed 50,000 and came back down to like 43, even came down to 39,000, but then I saw that as like a huge sign. I mean, for us to have, like, again, previously, like, kissed Bitcoin. This is the weekly chart here. Let's just look at the daily. All-time high for the last year. Okay, let's look 2 years back. All-time high for 2 years. Let's look at 3. Oh, wait. Did I screw something up? Is this 2 years actually? Yeah, it's 2 years. Yeah, 2 years. All right, let's look at 3 years. I don't think it's 3 years, but yeah, 3 years. All right, so 2-year high here on Bitcoin, and team, it's looking good. Okay, we do have the volume that we're looking for, right? We do have a pretty solid breakout. Bitcoin did hit the low here at 14,000 now. Did we, have another crash or another, panic break? No, we didn't. Okay, but we had a long consolidation period, and here we go. All right, so Bitcoin is up greater than 10% from our previous call out from the week before, right? So here you go, the 39,000. Boom, 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 bop, bop, bop. Now let's go to Riot. Now, personally, Riot is my personal favorite stock. I mean, crypto-related stock to trade, because I feel like from the group of the cryptos, I don't want to have to go through my watch list, right? But I don't want to have to go through my watch list, but okay, fine. Oh, gosh. Shh. These prices are secret. I don't even know. Do I have cryptos? I'm sure I do. I have to find it. I know I have a crypto watch list somewhere. All right, we're not going to go through that right now. But yeah, from like the 5 or 6, 7, 8 names that are on that watch list, Riot was the most solid. I mean, I think it was the only name on that list that, you had a company that, all they were doing were crypto miners, right? And that's Riot. A lot of people don't know about Marathon, or Mara was actually a holding company that I guess had different types of IPs that they were controlling. And, when the Bitcoin thing hit back in 2017, Mara just jumped on the bandwagon, which is why I can't say I don't trust Mara, but I know the history, right? It was one of those companies that kind of changed what they were doing to accommodate the current market conditions. And, just typically, folks, I don't like to invest in companies like that. At least from what I understand, Riot was not that. It's the total opposite. And so this is the reason why I've always preferred Riot over Mara. Good, chart here. Okay, I like the fact that the RSI isn't too high. We are gapping up. Right, so that's looking pretty good. Since the call out, shoot team, Riot is up like earlier today. It was up close to 60%. Here Brooklyn Traders, we're all over this from the jump. When we seen this death drop here and getting down to these levels, a lot of people were sitting on average around $11 here in the Discord, right? So that's pretty good. Nice little profit there. Okay, we're still holding shares there on Riot. That was looking pretty good. Here is Mara, right? Again, more the same. We weren't, again, I can't say what I'm not doing, right? So didn't jump into Mara, but a nice little gain there, right? And so we are pushing. What I'd like to see here, I do like the volume here. Okay, it's a nice follow through the volume. Okay, that's looking pretty good on Mara. And I guess since we're here, right, we're just kind of obligated to look at the overall market. I'm not going to go through all the tech names like I normally do. Okay, fresh all-time high here on the Qs, right? Yep, fresh all-time high. Clear breakout above the 405 level, and we are taking off. I do believe that is also accompanied by a squeeze, right? Let's look at the Qs here. Yeah, we had a squeeze back here. Small squeeze. Let's look at the weekly. Oh gosh, this I'm sure this chart is looking like craziness to you guys, right? All right, so let's just bring some order to this chaos. You don't need all this noise. Okay. All right. Lots of indicators. Let's look at the weekly here. Bam. Yeah, I mean, guys, this is a squeeze from Simpler Trading. Go get it. All right, so 392. We're looking at 392. Simple squeeze 22. Yeah, so we're past. We're past the levels here, right? That we thought the squeeze was gonna go. Had $22 baked in, and we've gotten over $30 here on the squeeze for Qs, right? The weekly squeeze, right? Do we have a monthly squeeze? That's the question. Just put oof. We do have a monthly squeeze. Dag nabbit, what the monthly do? $78. Sheesh. Right, and out of the 78, we got 48 bucks, 70. So a good $30 left here, okay, on this squeeze here for the monthly. So conservative price target 460 easy here on Qs. And nice, look at this, perfect, like textbook cup and handle here on the monthly time frame for Qs. So everybody was talking about, hey, the market's gonna die and and doomsday and all that. Yeah, there we gotta stop. I mean, once in yesteryear, I was a beer. I think I had too many beers. I don't drink beer, but maybe I had too many beers one night, and I became a beer. That's how it happened. You know what? That sounds pretty accurate because at the time I was working for a digital marketing company, and I was just in front of a computer all day. Believe it or not, I'm not actually in front of a computer all day anymore. Not with everything I'm doing here, because I do work in multiple industries, and so, yeah, stock twits could be like CNN or Fox News, right? For people who get like the political angling there. Yeah, you could just sit down and just inundate yourself with just financial memes and then be convinced of like things that you're seeing. And team, if it doesn't correspond with the charts, it's just not working, right? And I think generally speaking, it's something to say about life. Like, if what you believe does not generate results and it's not corresponding with reality, why do you believe it? And I think there are a lot of people who are holding on to lots of different types of dogmas, lots of different faith and systems that are just unprofitable. I know this maybe not important, but I'm a Christian personally. And the reason why I'm a Christian is because I've actually had lived-in experiences that meant something to me. Like things that actually happened, like supernatural occurrences, and things that actually helped me with my life. So I'm not trying to like evangelize you or anything, but just in general, right? Like, I think it's kind of like a golden rule, right? If whatever you believe is not working, right? If it's not giving you the result that you're looking for, there's something wrong there, right? And maybe you should think of something else. But yeah, I mean, Q's here. SPY's not going to be any different. Oh my gosh, freshie. A fresh squeeze popped off on the SPY. Let's go. Wow, there are two squeezes that popped off here. Wow. Wow. I know I sound super excited, but man, oh man. Fresh squeeze. So, first price target, 550. 600 SPY. 550, 600 SPY in the next 8 months. Let's go. Price target on SPY. 550, 600. Brooklyn traders. What a way to end this video. Okay. So, nice gains there on the Bitcoin, also the altcoins. Personally, we're tagged up with the Dogecoin. Okay, for everybody who knows, about Brooklyn traders and the Dogecoin, the call outs beyond fire. Man, fresh price targets here. Monthly squeeze done, popped off. 550 to 600 on SPY within the next, let's call it 8 to 12 months. 8 to 12 months. All right. Again, Charles Becco, Brooklyn traders. If you hear the sound in my voice, I'm so excited. I didn't see this coming. Okay. And, guys, I'm doing my analysis live in front of you. I do not look at charts beforehand. I do not write a script. I never write a script. This is why sometimes I'm tripping over my words or stumbling to find the right words to use, because, I don't know, just my style, all right? I mean, if I was doing like a Joe Rogan type podcast, like, will I be like looking at a script trying to figure it out? No, okay? And I'm that nice, all right? Again, Charles Becco, Brooklyn traders, we out of here, all right? Check out the SPY. Keep watching on SPY. Boom. Hey, thanks for watching. Please follow us at Brooklyn Traders on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. Happy trading, y'all. Stay safe out there.